The stage is now yours.
Alright, so can you hear me now? Alright, cool. Wow. Alright, welcome everyone. Yeah, get me? It's a lion. A little bit too much something. Is that one? I see already vision of humanity, fragile matter on fire, littering my cluttered mind. There's a place inside my mind where my dreams remain. Shadows cloud my tear-struck eyes through the broken window pane. How we sounding now? Hey, how's the sound, guys? Levels, please. On a taxi, yeah, it turns. Falls around the sun. Weight of all this fragile matter, unbalance has begun. Yes, it's how this story goes. As the population grows, Earth retains her gentle glow. as I stare out my window. In the years of time gone by, I fall through a tear-born sky. All that's left is fragile matter. She sings her ancient lullaby. In the end, we're fragile matter. Mother Nature's lullaby. Lullaby. Long distance runner, what you standing there for? Get up, get on, get out of the door. You're playing cold music on the barroom floor, drowning your laughter and dead musical, dragging with matches, he's loose on the town. Up in the water just to cool him down. Well, fire, fire on the mountain, on the mountain.